Welcome to this quick guide on how to view your muted accounts on Instagram, refreshed for 2026. If you've muted someone but want to double check who's on that list, this is the simple, up-to-date method how you'll want. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage because your muted list lives under your own profile. Once the app is open, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your personal Instagram space where you can access all your settings and preferences. From your profile, tap the menu in the top right corner. This icon looks like three horizontal lines and acts as the gateway to your account options. A menu will slide out from the side, revealing a variety of choices. Scroll down through these options until you reach the section labeled What You See. This section groups visibility and filtering features, making it easier to manage your experience without digging through endless settings. In the What You See section, look for muted accounts and tap on it. This will open a dedicated list of all the accounts you've muted. Here, you can review the people whose posts or stories no longer show up in your feed without unfollowing or blocking them. You'll see their usernames, and depending on your app version, you might also notice quick actions next to each name, such as unmute or manage. If you ever want to adjust your preferences, you can unmute someone directly from this screen. Simply tap the account you want to modify, then choose the option to unmute. The change takes effect immediately, and their content will start appearing in your feed again as per your usual view settings. Conversely, if you decide to mute additional accounts, you can repeat the same steps to add more people to your muted list. Keeping track of muted accounts helps maintain a cleaner, calmer feed while still staying connected with everyone you care about. It's a handy feature for balancing exposure, avoiding unwanted posts, and preserving your scrolling experience without instigating any drama. If you're testing out different settings, consider revisiting the muted account section every few weeks to ensure it still aligns with your current preferences.